I'm still strolling southwest alongside Almina Road, yet to reach Jumeirah, and I can't see the islands I'm yet to even lay my eyes on. I can see the sea, of course. This gets me thinking. The sea's even more open than I want the housing on an island to be to women. Goods can be by sea, and people at sea or by the sea, and so land can easily be overlooked, especially if it's sinking. How close to them are the significant people overlooking women moving hands like fingers of land rolling into the sea? Will everyone be able to see Australia? One day, there may be artificial Dubai waterfronts that are sheltered from choppy seas, sure. But what if too many scenic overlooks are on them? Will powerful men spy on their exes? I'll own one island of Australia, but will they own the universe, or the star and crescent? Who controls whom? How threatening are waves when seas truly rise? Will you want to drown instead of being close to the wrong island? Have I properly thought about the water between it and surrounding islands when buying the island I will have my eye on? Hardly. Life really began suddenly, without waters properly breaking, like a lecture. When I read an email aloud to myself, and then downloaded an app called Boatim, drawing life from digital bits alone, like they were seas. It crossed my mind that I was admitting myself to a mental asylum. Then, I think, the cordiality of the people waiting for me will surely catch me off guard as they greet me and express their gratitude to me. They'll tell me everything I need to know about where I'll be residing permanently, and exactly what I'm allowed to have on the island that technically will not be forbidden. I'll be told what I can do there, whether it will be a private or public island, and about publicity, but only if my words are not to be censored. They won't mention the insignificance, in their minds, of the state I'll be in, instead emphasizing its size. The price of my success may be the price on my head of $13 million to $25 million. The same as the islands, with the amount dependent upon my actions in the near future. But first, they'll need to know exactly what I plan to do on the island, what I want built there, and what I've purchased before now. They'll want to see me, talk to me, and stay in touch at all times like I'll be in a cell. And they'll need my cell number, of course. They'll need to know where to find me forever. And they'll definitely need my Boatim ID. But I already read the email they sent me. I'm now taking the next step, maybe onto Australian soil. But maybe I'm crazy. Is this my strong point? How can I step out of Dubai in Dubai? How can a woman? Can I make a strong point? Or does it have to be sands only, the sands of time? I look up at the night sky and see myself in a room with a property developer. And just where do you think you'll go? The developer asks. I know a place, I say nervously. You have no money, the developer stresses. You'll get nowhere without me. He slams his fist down on the table. The shadow of this shows where I'm to stay. These are the plans. My plans are long-term, and for reception after reception. I plan for countless guests. Where do you expect to go when they work for me? Everyone works for me. I regularly submit my plans to Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum for approval, and you must submit. How dare you think otherwise? Look at me when I'm talking you through what you will do. I nod and make eye contact with the sinister figure. I hear some absurd nonsense about a refuge. No one will build such a structure here because it is not necessary and people are forbidden to enter one. You will not mix with people whom advocate such a refuge. They are dissidents and will be punished accordingly. Do we see eye to eye on this matter? Or must we do something as an eye for an eye? Perhaps you are blind and need one to see. I yield to a friend, I say. You have no friends to relinquish the floor to, the developer states. The floor is yours alone, and you are on your own. No one is listening. No one will speak up for you. That is your independence. You want more? Then you keep asking, and you will get more. More and more floors that are yours and yours alone. Still staring up at the night sky, I see that the figurative walls around my figure are so large and thick. Like my own abdominal walls, I could never break by banging my head against. I'm trapped in a body, but if I break free, it's like I'm not in a body when complaining to someone. Like having an out-of-body experience with my head in the clouds. Somebody's walking toward me. They've spotted me. Walls are ever thickening, thick like abdominal, and what first appears to be a brick, a person with a heart of gold, is soon a wall formed by a significant body. I've tried to go somewhere I'm not supposed to. They're surrounding me like walls. Almina Road becomes a block before my eyes that I can't walk around. My island's not just around the block but overseas. I can't find my way there now in the dead of night. Almost like a stationary block myself, the object of scorn. I'm suddenly surrounded by sounds. Kf, kf, kf.